of the best ways you can invest in Nigerian stocks in 2026 is to start investing with AI analysis. I mean it, AI analysis. And let me quickly explain. For 2026, I recommended some stocks for those who are on our WhatsApp group, and you can see Tantalizer recommended at 2 naira 30 kobo. It's currently selling at 5 naira, and I said the projection is 50 to 70%. Tip was recommended at 9 naira 50 kobo. You can see currently selling at 33 naira. Nimet recommended at 5 naira 50 kobo, currently selling at 11 naira. It got to 16 naira at a point in time. Jaiz Bank also 4 naira 50 kobo. It is currently selling at 9 naira 50 kobo. This same stock at a point in time was selling for 15 naira. This is still June. I hope you get my point. So you can see others as well. See the remaining stocks, like 10 of them, they've already hit their targets. I hope you get what I'm saying. So one of the best ways you can start investing, if you don't want to start analyzing the way I will analyze being a financial analyst, is for you to allow AI to do the analysis for you. So, and in this online course, you are going to learn it. And a dictated prompt library also came with this course. So you don't need to start formulating the prompts yourself. And one beautiful thing about this course is that it also comes with a bonus course. So you are going to be getting this as a bonus. Even if you have never invested in the Nigerian stock market before, you only need to take this course and the stock investments with AI analysis course. Then it also comes with this bonus again, MMF Investments Masterclass. You can see you are enjoying. So take action before the price goes up. What do you need to do? Visit these sites. The link in the description below, cifacademy.com.ng. You can click the link in the description below, or you chat up this number that you need this course on how to invest in Nigerian stocks with AI analysis. And at the end, you also be added to a WhatsApp group. Take action before the price goes up. It's currently selling at 7,500 naira. Thank you.